Hi, boys and girls. Okay, so today in math, we are talking about something that we've talked about before. You know, that's what we do in pre-K. We're talking about more or less, okay? So I'm going to be showing you some pictures and we're going to count the legs of some things, some animals and maybe some people to see if they have 2 legs or more than 2. Okay, so I thought I cleaned this. I guess I didn't. Oh. Okay, so I need your help in counting because you know counting is super, super important. And we're supposed to count to 20. How many times a day? 3 times a day. Yeah, you're supposed to do that. And we try to do it 1 time together in our video, and then you have 2 other times to do it with your family. Okay? Now you want to make sure when you're counting that you're saying you're saying the numbers. Okay? Now we're going to be counting the legs, but first let's warm up our brains by counting to 20. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. Here comes the hard part. I know you can do it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Did you do it? I hope so. Okay. Now we're talking about more or less. Which one has more? Which one has 2 legs? Which would be less. Okay? More. I'm gonna put less. And more. Okay. So let's look at some things. First off, here is a little bear. I know they're pictures I've drawn, but I tried to make them cute. This is a bear. Let's count the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many legs? 4 legs. So do I put it with the 2 or more than 2? 4 is more than 2 because we come to 2, then we go 3, 4. So it comes after. So it's more than. Okay, it's more than 2. Ah, look what I have now. I have a little person. How many legs? How many legs? Let's count them. 1, 2. How many? 2. So it doesn't go over here, does it? No, it goes over here with 2. Okay, it's tied 1 to 1. Let's see, what are we going to have next? A bunny wabbit. Let's count the legs. Or we should say feet, you know, because I don't know. I mean, they're legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 for the bunny rabbit. So it goes over here. Okay, now they have 2. That's supposed to be a puppy dog. Okay, let's count the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs. That goes over here on this side. Okay, next one. I have a penguin. Let's count the legs. 1, 2. 2 legs for my penguin. Over here. Okay. Now, let's see. Oh, next thing is a ladybug. Let's count the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 legs. There we go. And my last one is a little bird. I know his beak kind of looks funny, but it's still a bird. Let's count his legs. 1, 2. Okay, so he goes over here. So which one has more animals? We're comparing. Okay, let's count our things in their list. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to use some Q-tips because I know we have Q-tips at home. So I'm using these to count with. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 of them. Okay, I'm going to hold them right here. Now let's count these over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many over here? 4. So put my 3 down. I'm going to get another set. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have 4, because part of this is I want practice in counting, touching, and moving. Okay, that's part of what we're doing also. We want to get back in the habit of doing that. We've been out of school, so now we got to get our brain thinking again, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 on one side and 3 on another. Which side has more? So this one has 4 and this side has 3. Which number is bigger? Which one is more? 3 or 4? Do you know? Well, think about when we're counting. Think about a number line. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So which one comes last on the number line? 4. So 4 is bigger. So 4 is more. It's more. There's more of them, okay? And so that means over here, the ones that have 2 legs, we have less than, okay? So we have less and we have more. Okay, good job. Now today, boys and girls, what I want you to do is to find some things that you can hold and count and touch and compare. Now you might want to look at your stuffed animals. Maybe you can get a bunch of stuffed animals together. Maybe you have some animals and some dolls. Maybe you want to use some Hot Wheels. Maybe you want to see if you have some Hot Wheels and you have some motorcycles. You have all sorts of transportation vehicles. And so you can compare how many wheels they have or how many legs they have. And you can put them in groups and sort them according to if they have 2 wheels or 4 wheels, 2 legs or 4 legs. Maybe you have something that has a lot of legs, like an ant or a caterpillar. So that would be a whole nother pile. Yeah. So I want you to sort and I want you to count. Okay, families? So you're going to be using the things you have at your house. Okay? Now, if you don't have some things, then draw some pictures. Okay? Draw some pictures, families. But I'd prefer for you to use some things that you have around the house, like cars, Hot Wheels, any trucks, any motorcycle, little toys, anything like that. Or if you would rather, you can print pictures out of things. But we're trying to make sure that we have at least 2 groups and we have 3 or 4 in each group or more, so they can sort and they can touch and count the wheels or the legs, things like that. Okay? So that's what we're doing. We're comparing more and less. And I want to see a picture of what you're doing. Now, we have a worksheet page. This is easy breezy. It says color the 5th treasure box, color the 1st parrot, color the 7th pirate. This is counting, and when you get to number 7, remember our ordinal numbers: 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. The 7th pirate you get to color. So we're just doing this little page, but I want you to focus on trying to find things at your house that you can sort and compare more or less. Okay? Show me what you've done. I can't wait to see it. Make it a great day, guys. Bye.